Passive income is earned through investment or already completed work and continues to provide income without required new effort. Hey guys, welcome to our channel FinanceX. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 5 greatest passive income ideas. Let's see what we have for you to discuss. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Most passive revenue streams are the result of hard work, cultivating an audience, optimizing paid ads, and providing a fantastic experience and a superior product. As a current or aspiring business owner, on the other hand, you're not afraid to put the time to complete all of those things, and you may already have them marked off your list. Active income, on the other hand, refers to money earned in exchange for a service. Passive income, by definition, does not involve active labor at some point. The majority of passive income streams will take time, energy, and effort to get started, but if done correctly, your passive income streams will generate income on their own, with little to no effort on your part. In today's video, we have the 5 best income streams for you. Passive money can be generated in a variety of ways online, so if you desire a source of income that is not reliant on your location, passive income may be for you. All you usually need is a computer and access to the internet to make money. Blogging is the first thing. For authors or hobbyists, blogs are an ideal passive income source. A blog, short for weblog, is an online journal or informational website that displays content in reverse chronological order, with the most recent entries appearing first. It's a website where writers can express their opinions on a particular topic. Display adverts, affiliate marketing, and/or digital product sales turn your site into a passive cash source. You should concentrate on SEO if you want to make passive revenue from display ads or search engine optimization. SEO is the science of attracting visitors to your website. Companies may approach you to collaborate on projects if your blog has constant attention. To begin your blog, follow these steps. Choose the best niche for your site. Select a platform for your blog, example WordPress. Choose a domain name, example www.myamazingblog.com. Obtain a domain name and web hosting account, example SiteGround. Create a blog, publish material, and use social media to market it. Online courses is the second thing. We all have skills in areas where others are willing to pay for them. A digital course can help you turn your skills into dollars. After the initial construction, a digital course is a source of passive income that continues to sell itself without you having to do much work. It's possible that you've already shared your knowledge without even realizing it. Perhaps it was a Facebook post, a YouTube channel, or a blog offering guidance on a certain subject. Rather than giving all of your expertise for free, you can turn it into a source of passive income by compiling your thoughts, abilities, and knowledge into a digital course. Teachable, Podia, and Kajabi are examples of platforms that make it simple to package, market, and sell your digital course. 3 is electric books. Writing an ebook or electronic book, similar to a digital course, is another way to monetize a certain skill set or expertise. The key distinction is in the manner the data is presented. An ebook is a digital book that can be read on a computer, mobile device, or ebook reader such as the Kindle that contains text, images, or both. They don't have to be full-length novels, though they can be. Keep in mind that your price will influence the expectations of your customers. Depending on your topic, a typical ebook might be anywhere from 2,500 to 10,000 words long. You can use Canva, Beacon, or simply Microsoft Word to create your ebook. 4. Downloads from the internet. Digital downloads are tools that give your customers a rapid solution to a problem. Digital downloads allow you to create single downloadable products rather than a full ebook. These are products that can stand alone and provide value to your customers. Digital downloads include printable checklists, crafts, and hobby guides, downloadable spreadsheets, and social media templates. To determine what your potential customer base is looking for, you'll need to conduct market research. The best place to begin is by looking into your industry's competitors. See what shows up when you search for related keywords on Google. That's who you're up against. Examine what they're selling and consider how you might create your own distinctive version. Canva is excellent for making digital files, while Etsy and Sendowl are excellent for selling them. Affiliate marketing is number 5. Affiliate marketing entails collaborating with merchants to promote their goods. In exchange for marketing items or services, you can earn a commission on each sale. Because you merely promote someone else's goods and get compensated, this is a simple kind of passive income. Social media, email marketing, a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog are all good venues to promote your affiliate connections. Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are two well-known affiliate marketing systems. However, there are other platforms to pick from. Authenticity is crucial in this case. When you promote substandard products, your audience loses faith in you. Make sure you're just promoting things you're familiar with and enjoy. These were the 5 great passive income ideas. The ideas do not end here. We have some more ideas for you as well, such as 6. Investing in real estate. Real estate investing is the most expensive kind of passive income. It necessitates a considerable initial expenditure, particularly if you are fresh to the real estate market. However, before you go into the real estate world, ask yourself these questions to help you figure out what type of real estate investor you want to be. You have a variety of real estate investment alternatives to select from, depending on your financial goals and the amount of effort you want to put in. Short-term rentals, think Airbnb, and long-term rentals, where you're a full-fledged landlord, are 2 ways to generate passive income from real estate. 7. Investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is arguably the simplest way to generate passive income. Capital gains or dividends fuel this type of passive income. Compound interest allows you to watch your investments grow as the value of your stock rises, and you continue to reinvest any dividends you get. The buy and hold approach is the key to making passive income from the stock market. This revenue stream isn't truly a source of income to live off of right now, if you use a retirement account, such as a Roth IRA. It's more of a vehicle for saving and investing money to live off of when you retire. However, you continue to profit from compound interest, which needs little to no effort on your side. Now the question is that, how many income streams should you have? The IRS issued a research that depicts the most typical types of revenue streams for high-income earners. Dividends from stocks that you own, amount of money earned from a paycheck. Rental revenue is derived from the rental of real estate. Royalties from the sale of the rights to use something they wrote or invested. Gains from the sale or valued assets. Profits from their own businesses. Savings, CDs, and bonds all pay interest. So how many do you need? It all relies on your financial objectives and existing circumstances. Are you in a solid job with room for advancement? Perhaps you only require 2 sources of income, such as your regular salary and dividends from stock investments. If your job is more precarious or irregular, you may want to diversify your sources of income so that you have a backup plan. If you want to be a billionaire like me, you need to diversify your income and include all of these. Passive sources of income can help you save more money, achieve your financial goals, and recover from a job loss. Who wouldn't want to be able to earn money without having to work an 8-hour-a-day job? The good news is that, in addition to what I've mentioned, there are many other ways to start generating a passive income stream. Before you start seeing results, you'll need to put in some time and effort to build them out. Investigate these possibilities, and you might be making money while you sleep in no time. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.